Where are we going? Look at this one right here.
Can you lift me up so I can see it?
Can you see it? It's trying to eat the...
Lift me up so I can see it.
You can't see it?
I see his face.
I can only really see his face.
Oh, I see his body. Look at babies!
What?
I want to see more.
Where's babies?
So beautiful.
I bet he's inside the thing. I don't know where he is. We're just looking at bears. How tall are you, baby? You're almost as tall as a sloth bear.
I'm almost as tall as a
Yeah.
Polar bears are huge.
Yeah. Okay, so the plan was to make this initially not as wide and have it come down to the edge here, but I ran out of netting because I was going to have it go all the way down here. So I just moved that one T-post from the corner here in there, and I'm just going to get some more poultry netting eventually, move that T-post out, and then finish the rectangle to here so they'll have all this space too. Thank you. And the biggest issue that I have right now is that I'm finding trash in the ground in there, and I'm having to throw it over and throw it away because I don't want my chickens eating this, obviously. And it's from previous owners, I am assuming, because I didn't put any of this stuff in there. But yeah, but at least they have a safe spot to roam even when I'm not outside. When you accidentally let some chickens out of the run and you're having a hard time getting them back, you could watch this all day long. Like she's enjoying herself. Come on, girl, corner it, corner it. Get him, get him, get him. Get one. Aww. Oh. So much water. It's in the garage. Oh, I almost slipped down the stairs too. Charlotte, your shoes are going to be soaked. Is anybody outside? No? Okay, good. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's so much standing water in here. Oh no. Oh gosh. I mean, they're okay. They're dry. They're plastic bottomed. They're okay. I need to feed them and water them. Rooster. Alright, next morning. All the standing water, except for over there, is pretty much gone. So, let's take a look. Standing water's gone. Quail are fine. Yay for plastic bottom. My garage looks terrible now because of all that standing water, but hey, they're alive and safe and not drowned.